Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Tilray Brands, ticker symbol TLRY. And so I wanted to go over this chart today because we got some news that it looks like the CEO is buying up stock, and it also looks like we have hit some, or nearly hit some, pretty important levels, and we might be seeing a breakout soon. So I just wanted to go over that because it looks pretty interesting to me. And so looking at this article here, which is from Investor Place that came out on January 16th, and I should note that I am recording this during market hours on the 17th. And so with this article, we can see that the CEO, Irwin Simon, and CFO, Carl Merton, have been buying shares on January 12th, buying about 53,000 shares, and that being at a price of around $1.88. And let's see, I believe there was another purchase that Paul made. Paul Merton, spouse, is buying shares at $1.87. And again here, more news of buying $1.87. So it seems like the high 80s, high 180s are a pretty hot price to be buying a stock. With it trading above $2 right now, are we going to be seeing a takeoff from these levels? Whether that's going to be happening very soon or over the course of the year, or might we be seeing a pullback and more opportunities to buy lower? So in order to assess that, I wanted to look at the chart. Here I do have a volume profile on the side, which does suggest, with this consolidation over here, that there's a little bit of a volume shelf. There might be support around 178, 179, but also considering this volume shelf to the upside, there might be some resistance around $2.27. And so the current price is trading right in between there. So we might see a little bit of a retracement. And we might also see a little bit of rejection moving forward. But I wanted to throw up some lines that I've drawn that might help us navigate the chart. And so first, I have this orange line here drawn at a price of $1.82. Does look like it was resistance over here with kind of this cup and handle formation before a breakout. Pretty interesting to see that there. Nice to see that cup and handle play out like that. And then also it looks like, there was some consolidation between these two levels here before this recent bounce. And it looks like there was a test of right around $1.82, having lows on the 12th of $1.84, closing at $1.87 with a lot of buys, insider buying around that level too. And then so here we also have the red line that I drew at $1.66. Does look like it was support here for that handle of the cup. And also it was tested over here around November 2023 with a few tails of candles coming down there, but that's serving as support before this move up here. And considering the move there from the lows, I'm just going to do a quick Fibonacci retracement going from the lows there up to this high that we hit on, let's see, January 9th. Seeing this retracement, we do see a very interesting coincidence between this orange line that I went over at $1.82 and the 786 Fibonacci retracement right around $1.81. And so price does look like, I'm just going to remove the volume profile, does look like it nearly got to that level, approximately bounced from there. So I'm wondering if that is a retracement to this approximate level that, that is the local bottom, and we could potentially be seeing a breakout. And so I am just going to actually delete that retracement, but note that $1.82, this dip here, does look like it could be the bottom. And I'm just going to take a step back so we can look at what I see bigger picture, which is this parallel channel that I have drawn in white based on, let's see, the high on December 5th, 2022, as well as, let's see, the next pivot point is based on the close of December 28th, 2022, and then the next pivot high is based on the high of September 5th, 2023. And so with that channel, it does look like we did get a little bit of a breakout back here, but more or less respected. Did get a test of the bottom of it here in the middle of May 2022, some consolidation around the bottom of that. And let's see, we did get some, consolidation down here more recently, June 2023, with the bottom of that. And it does look like we are getting near to test the top of that channel. Also, I do have this yellow line drawn that makes me think we could be breaking out of a falling wedge potentially. And this is based on, I believe, the close of October 18th, 2021. Did get a test of that, break through it, test of it as resistance again here, with the pivot point being based on the close of March 25th. And so moving forward in time, it does look like, we recently did get a fake out from that level and a breakdown to that Fibonacci retracement. And so with this news of insiders buying, I do feel like, I'm just going to switch over to the weekly time frame, I do feel like we could be seeing some notable upside. Also noting too, looking back, this is going back to 2020, there is some price action trading within that channel here. And so, I do think that we could definitely be seeing some pretty volatile moves in the coming months. Into the year. So I think that's pretty exciting. I wanted to share that I do think that we might be seeing a breakout. And if able to buy the dip at whether it's $1.88, 87, $1.82 at this level, or worst case scenario, in my opinion, $1.66, really the best case scenario for picking up some shares at a discount before potential breakout. And seeing where this takes us into the new year. And yeah, if you found my thoughts helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.